Winnie.
I think it's admission time. This hurts. I know it does.
This is actually kind of cool.
Who'd have thunk it? It's actually kind of cool. What's cool?
Being in the bush, mate.
Mm.
Cooking on the fire, minimal water.
Why are you showing me this now?
Because I usually don't like this, but I actually like it, so I've decided to let you know that I like it now.
Right. She said, I've got a confession to make. I went, oh, what's going on? This serenity surrounding is kind of cool. Been telling her for years. Homeschooling, the school of egg, the school of fresh egg.
Yummo! Happy as.
Ah, love it.
Who is it?
Now take them off.
Mother's Day, bacon, egg and hash brown wraps. Yum.
Happy Mother's Day, Mummy.
Injury for the trip. What happened? Stupid shoelaces got caught and I just stumbled down onto the concrete and it stung. Look, Shen.
A word of advice, kids. Don't drink and drone. And on your travels, you'll always come across these little hidden gems. We are at
Green Hill Lake, just out of Ararat in Victoria.
it's all free. I can't believe this is all free, and the place is massive.
It's great.
And we've got this little section all to ourselves. It's awesome.
Beautiful. So on tonight's menu is chicken casserole, done in my thermopot. Shannon and I absolutely love these things, but the girls aren't big fans, but they do eat it, and they will enjoy it tonight, and I especially will when I don't have to do any cooking. We're about to go out for some hiking today, so this is the best time to have your thermopot going because it actually cooks while we're out enjoying what life has to offer. So take a look, I'll show you how it's done. So what I actually do is I brown off the onion. Once that's done, put in the raw chicken thighs. I use chicken thighs. They don't dry out as much and the kids prefer them as well. Once that's browned off, I put in all the vegetables. The vegetables I use are potato, sweet potato, carrots and pumpkin. What I do use is some chicken vegeta and a Master Foods farmhouse casserole. I put a teaspoon of the vegeta in with a cup of water, mix that around, and that goes in with this Master Foods casserole. Once the chicken's browned off and I'm putting all the vegetables in, and I've got the stock and the casserole packet in, I'll then let that simmer for about 15 minutes. That brings up the heat, and then I'll show you what I do with the rice. So in the smaller pot, I've put 3 cups of water and 2 cups of rice. I bring that to the boil. So now this is done, I'm going to bring this over to the Dream Pot outer casing, as you'll see. Okay, now I bring the rice over. Woo! I put the inner lid in. Put this one on. That's secured in there. And then this get lifted into there. So what this actually does, it's like a big thermos. The only electricity required is what I had cooking on the stovetop over there in the preparation, browning off, and then letting it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, prepping the rice just to boil. Now once that's all in there, that can sit in there from anywhere to 4 to 7 hours while we're traveling, while we're hiking. So dinner's done. So it's 10 o'clock in the morning and dinner is done. So it works similar to like a slow cooker, only without electricity. We love it.
So we're in the Grampians, which is a cluster of mountain ranges down in Victoria, and it was said to be formed 430 million years ago as volcanic islands were formed together because a big ocean that covered quite a bit of Victoria closed up over time. So we're just down here exploring some hikes.
Quite beautiful, really.
I'm good.
This next walk is considerably harder.
You're joking.
No.
You're joking.
We haven't done much of this caper since 2021, really.
Nothing the flockies can't do.
No, we'll be right. We'll send Chloe back for help.
This is awesome.
Well, I'm glad I wore my adventure hat today. I wouldn't have made it.
Indiana Jones wannabe. They're so close.
Nearly there.
We've done a lot of steps. A lot of it was very, very steep, but we made it. Happy to say we made it.
Yeah. Now we've got to walk all the way back down.
Ah, that'd be a breeze. So after 6 hours of this baby cooking throughout the steam that it creates itself, we've got dinner ready. My feet have blisters, they're sore, and I don't have to lift a finger. Well, other than taking the lid off and getting the pot out of here.
Let's have a look. The giant thermos, as you called it.
I did. And the steam is coming off that nicely.
Look at that.
I'll take this out, and if you want to come in a bit closer, and you will see the chicken casserole that has been cooking all day.
Wow,
Oh, look at that steam
look
coming
at
off
that.
there. That's nice.
Aren't they good?
Oh yeah.
Wow, that is raw and hot.
So we'll tell the kids
Geez, it smells nice.
dinner's ready.
Oh, Lisa, that's like a beautiful stew. That's
There we
just
go.
like a home casserole.
So there we go. Done. Oh, which one's mine?
The one you're eating? Young Chloe. Talk about nutritious and delicious after our big hike today.
Too right.
Wow, look at this one.